Something came in the mail today. So I am super excited for this. I've been waiting to do this for a really long time. But before we get into what's in the box, I gotta wash the bike up real quick. So let's go ahead, wash the bike up, and then we'll come back with what's in the box. So we got all that stuff done. Let's go ahead, let's get into the fun part. Let's get this thing unboxed and I'm ready to get it installed on the bike. So let's do it. Oh shit. So we got a box inside of a box. It's pretty heavy too, you guys. This is pretty heavy. Boom. Look at that. Now I've seen a couple of different colors. I've seen the green, I've seen the blue, which I love the blue, which was the one I was actually gonna get. But because I've seen the blue and the blue has been really popular, I wanted to get a different color. I was looking at other wraps and I just didn't see anything that really caught my eye like this particular one did, the Frenzy. So again, I seen the blue. Blue was very popular. I seen a lot of people had it. The green, then I've all of a sudden started seeing people with the green. And so then I seen the orange. The orange looked great too. And then I seen people with the orange. The purple, well, the purple looks really good, but I didn't want purple. And then I seen the red. I said, let's get it. So this is what we got. I'm gonna finish getting this box open and start getting the install ready. So here's what comes in the box. You have thousands and thousands of pieces. This is my very first time doing it. So we're just gonna see how this thing goes. I'm just gonna wing it and hope that it comes out the best. If it's like any other graphics or vinyls, shouldn't be too much different, but you never know. Right off the bat, you got thick pieces. These are nice thick pieces, so they feel really good. And it feels like a lot, it feels like quality to me. So let's get to it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's jump on in. All right, so brought the box outside. I guess my first thing to do is just to try to sort out some of the pieces. So I found like the end flaring parts. So I'm just gonna try to sort out some of the pieces and see what goes where, just to kind of ease up the process. It's 10:30 here. So we'll see how long this thing takes me to get done. So again, it's 10:30 and I'm ready to go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna see you guys in just a second. All right, so I have a full box of stuff. I mean, look at all this stuff. You also get your diagram. I got a few of the pieces there, but this is what we're working with. This is what I want. Okay, this is what I want. This is what I got. So yeah, puzzles weren't really my thing. But anyways, so what I'm gonna do a couple pieces in real time for you guys, and then I'll go ahead and just get this thing on the bike. I'm gonna start, of course, what I did, since I couldn't just, you know, it was just a lot. So I took pieces that I know that's the back. I know where that eyeball goes. I know that's where the gas cap is at. So I know those things, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with those pieces and then just kind of match as I go. So let's do it. So a small piece like this, I went on ahead, took the whole backing off. Since it was such a small piece, I'm not gonna fully stick it on. And keep in mind, I'm doing this one-handed. This thing is hella sticky. And just try to line it up, just like you were doing a decal or something like that. So these things aren't gonna just line up to the exact lines. These were all kind of cut. So you just have to kind of do the best you can. It's not a 10,000% perfect cut, but it'll be close enough and it should look pretty dang good. So I'm gonna now lay this piece down. Hopefully I don't have too many problems. Let's see. Probably want to start from side to side because you have a couple of curves and stuff in there. Sorry, I can't really do this one-handed, so that's why I'm gonna have to put you guys down here in a little bit. Let's see, probably a little bit over too far. So yeah, definitely can't do it one-handed, so I'm gonna put you guys down here for a second. And so first piece on, we got a long way to go. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna just get started on this thing. It's gonna take me a while. All right, you guys, so I got the first piece installed. I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. This is actually a little bit more technical than I thought, but anybody can do it. It just takes a little bit of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some time in and get this thing started. So update on the Ryker, looking pretty good. I still have a few more pieces to go. So I have pretty much the wheel pieces, or I should say the fender here, and then just a few more other little pieces that go somewhere. Trying to figure it out, and I still have to get this rear on a whole lot better, because it's not even on, it's just sitting there. But besides that, pretty good. Start at 10:30. It's now 2 o'clock, and I'm still working, and it's hot. But I like it like that because actually I sat the pieces out like so, just to heat them up, because I didn't have a hot gun. So just heat the pieces up so they'll be a little more stretchy, so I can stretch them where they needed to be. So so far so good. Everything's looking pretty good. I will say not every piece is lining up, and it's not like perfect, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna finish up and give you the finished results here, hopefully within the next hour or so. It's looking really good. It just took me a long time. So right now it's probably about 4 o'clock, 4:30. So I started at 10:30. Here it is 4:30, and I just now finished. First time ever doing a wrap, and it did come out really, really good. There are a couple of spots that I think are a little iffy, and that's just because of my knowledge of doing wraps. But all in all, it was a pretty good job. It was a little bit tough, and it was very time consuming. The wrap itself was $3.99 plus tax. Came out to be about $4.30. Took a couple days to get here. Got it off of Amazon, but it is from AMR. But it got it from an Amazon store.
yeah, so this is it. It looks really good. This is the Red Frenzy. They have a couple other color choices, but I decided to go with the red. I had never seen the red, and I'm really feeling it. For now, that's gonna be it. I'll have some more on this wrap a little later, but I just wanted to do the install for you guys. So here it is. Hope you guys like it. I freaking love it, and I can't wait to ride. I gotta let it sit and chill for a little bit, and I'm gonna probably do a couple little touch on it, and I'll definitely be on a ride, and we'll talk about this wrap a little bit later. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Ryker fam, tap in.